Welcome to Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have this Insta360 GO Ultra 4K camera. This is the creator bundle, and I bought this from Amazon for $499. I'm really excited about this item because I think it's going to be a totally different experience than holding a phone. So first off, let's look at the packaging of this thing. It's pretty simple. It's just got a picture of the unit in front, and it's just plain black and white. And then on the side of this thing has some pictures and showing you some of the features and uses. Basically, again, giving you a quick synopsis of what to expect out of this item. Then in the back is again more pictures of how it can be used and what to expect out of it, as well as the content inside the packaging. So this is what it looks like. It's fairly big for what I think what we're going to be expecting, because this thing is going to be so tiny. So let's take a dive into it and open this box. Open this up. Oh, it's individually packaged. The tripod, the quick release mount, and then the pivot stand, what we are looking forward to. There it is. Wow, that thing is small. That's pretty awesome. And that out of the way. And there it is. Oh, it's really magnetic. How cool is that? And you've got the pendant. Then your USB. And there's the pod itself. And the small screen. Wow, that's amazing. That's way cool. Oh, it's got a lock on this side, so you can flip this up. Your USB connection here. Then you've got your power buttons on the side. A button there as well. Cool. And then the clip. This one I look forward to using. And then you've got your quick start guide, your all right. That's also magnetic. Fantastic. Then you've got your quick release mount. What does this thing look like? Oh, there it is. It's got all the parts for mounting on maybe like a bike. Here, I believe, goes like that. And then you press the sides so you can release it. Here's all the other accessories. Got your pivot stand. So I guess you can use this again also at different applications. There's some applications there for you. There you go. All right, so here's everything laid out, everything that was in the box outside, so we can see what we unboxed. Here is the main unit, the camera itself, which is small, compact, and lightweight, and the action pod with the screen in the back, which simply mounts just like that, and it locks in place until you unlock it, hitting or pushing this button and then pulling this out. That. Then you've got your clip, the pendant clip here, or the magnetic clip. Then you've got a safety cord. You've got the quick release mount on this side. Then the pivot stand up here, where you can also use this to mount, I guess, on a window or something like that, or windshield. Then you've got your USB cord, then your tripod here with all the accessories. All right, that's pretty much it. So I'm really looking forward to using this entire system of the camera, and man, I'm really stoked, and hopefully it helped me make great videos. All right, hopefully you liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel that's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.